Dear children, welcome to our next topic, abscisic acid, which is one type of plant hormone. Abscisic acid is shortly known as ABA. This is a growth inhibitor which regulates abscission and dormancy. Abscisic acid inhibits or controls the growth in plants, hence the growth in stalk. It regulates abscission, that is the removal of old leaves from the stem. It detached or removed the leaves from the stem. Abscisic acid is also responsible for dormancy. It could be seen in seeds of fruits. After maturity, the seeds become inactive. This condition is known as dormancy. Whenever the seed fell down in soil, the condition will be favorable. Then the seeds break down the dormant or inactive condition and starts to germinate into a new plant. This inactive condition of seeds is known as dormancy. Abscisic acid increases tolerance of plants to various kinds of stress. Abscisic acid supports the plant to overcome in various stress conditions. So, it is also called as stress hormone. Abscisic acid is found in the chloroplast of plants. Physiological effects of abscisic acid. Abscisic acid promotes the process of abscission, that is, separation of leaves, flowers, and fruits from the branch. This hormone forms the abscission layer at the place where the leaves or the fruits attached in stems. The separation of leaves, flowers and fruits is initiated by the abscission layer. During water stress and drought conditions, abscisic acid causes stomatal closure. When the plant finds the insufficient amount of water or drought condition, it will produce the abscisic acid. This hormone causes the stomatal closure to control the transpiration process, that is, loss of water. It closes the stomata and utilizes the water which is available in the xylem vessels only for the plant's metabolic activities. So, abscisic acid involved in control of transpiration by stomatal closure. Abscisic acid promotes senescence in leaves by causing loss of chlorophyll. This hormone causes aging in leaves. When the leaves lost its chlorophyll content, it will not involved in photosynthesis process. Hence, it cannot prepare sucrose. This condition makes the leaves inactive and become removed by the plant by the formation of abscission layer. Abscisic acid induces bud dormancy towards the approach of winter in trees like birch. Birch is a hardwood tree used to make furniture, plywood, and has so many applications. In this tree, the buds become inactive to overcome the winter season. This is the structure of bud of a birch tree. It is familiarly known as black birch. Abscisic acid is a powerful inhibitor of lateral bud growth in tomato. This hormone inhibits or controls the formation of buds in the lateral regions of the tomato plant. Thank you.